Guys, make sure to stay until the end. We'll talk about common mistakes people make that can cost you thousands of dollars in repair diagnostics that you may actually not even need. So let's explain what it is. Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Super quick, very helpful video for any of you trying to find where the TPMS light fuse and relays are located on Jeep Cherokee. That generation here from year 2014 to year 2023. Quick advice from us, guys. Please do not waste any money on parts, tools, diagnostics until you watch that video. It could be quite simple fix if you have problems with the TPMS light. After that, if you need to buy any replacement parts and tools, we will share the information in the description of the video below. Check it out and you can see where we get most of our tools and supplies from as well. So let's start on it now. Before we start, guys, let us tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos, guys. We take them completely apart. We show you how to fix engines, transmissions, bodywork, engine codes, transmission codes, fuses, relays. Why we do that, guys? All that because our mission at the garage is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video. That way we can keep making these free videos, guys. Check out our YouTube channels. That's where, guys, you can find more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in free repair. So let's go ahead and start on it now. So the TPMS light fuses relays, guys, we will explain where you can expect to find them on that generation Jeep Cherokee right here. Quick advice from us, guys, 9 out of 10 owners do not know there will be hidden fuse boxes in that Jeep Cherokee. That's why we made a special video on our YouTube channel that's called Jeep Cherokee Fuse Box Location and Diagram video that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. Go ahead and open the hood, guys, facing the engine here on the right side. This is the driver's side. The main engine fuse box is right here. You need to press the tabs together, lift the cover up, and underneath you're going to find a fuse box with a layout like this one here. Before we guys continue, let's quickly explain why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. Guys, it's very important to always test your fuses and relays. Why? Sometimes you may think you have a good fuse, guys. It's hard to tell. Look at those fuses, right? And sometimes, okay, you pull the fuse. Okay, I'm going to get the fuse puller and I'm going to remove one fuse. I want to show you on that 20 amp fuse. Sometimes it's very unclear if that fuse is burned or not. You may not clearly see it. So always, guys, test them, because if you don't test the fuse, you assume it's good. You end up spending money, time and diagnostics for problems that do not exist, guys. So you can just waste your money and time. Always test your fuses, always test relays. We will put links in the description of the video below where you can find, guys, a video for testing a fuse and testing a relay that will explain everything that you need to do. So, guys, here what we need to check, quite a few different fuses. The TPMS system actually is integrated with other fuses, so we cannot just remove that fuse alone. That's why they made it. But the fuses that we will need to check, we're talking about fuse number 78 right here. That's very important fuse, guys. 77 check as well. 77, 78, 79. These 3 double micro 3-blade fuses, there is limited information, but it's very likely it's one of those. And next you need to check fuse number 80 is for the radio. Sometimes it's integrated in the radio systems on some modern cars, so you may need to remove that fuse for about 10-15 minutes to reset the Uconnect the entertainment system and see if that fixes the problem. Now, guys, you don't have specifically dedicated relay, you may want to check fuses relays, okay, for the BCM, the body control module as well. If you want to know where the fuses are located, we'll have the video on the channel. Now, one of the top reasons why TPMS light is a bad TPMS sensor, but if you have TPMS light, we'll have a video on the channel that will explain how to test TPMS sensors, what causes TPMS light to be on, and fix that as well. Check it out, it will be on this YouTube channel if you need help with it. Guys, quick advice, this Jeep Cherokee uses all kinds of fuses and relays. We want to show you the different fuses. Those are special fuses right here. You have mega fuses, you have micro 3-blade fuses, you have little mini cartridge fuses, maxi cartridge fuses. Guys, those are super hard to find. If you're in the middle of nowhere, you may have a hard time finding a replacement one, and you may end up being stuck in the middle of nowhere. So buy some, keep some spare ones in the glove box for a peace of mind. We're going to share the information in the description of the video below where you can get fuses, relays at a really good price. That's where we get all our tools and supplies from, guys. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. If we have time and resources, we'll try to make video for your problem, guys. Thank you for watching. See you next time.